Welcome back to Skin Diaries. I'm Sonal Sagaraya. I'm a beauty and lifestyle blogger. So as a blogger, for me, my everyday life consists of a lot of makeup. I do my makeup pretty much every single day and I try out a bunch of new products. So I experiment a lot with my skin. So it's really important for me to follow a proper skincare routine. Now, it took me a while to figure out what are the right products for me and what kind of routine I need to follow. Initially, when I used to not use the right products, my skin used to suffer a lot because I used to use makeup every single day. I had clogged pores, because of which I had a lot of acne issues and hyperpigmentation. But later on, as I started using the right products, my skin started improving. There are so many videos out there, there are so many tips out there that it can get really confusing. But on Skin Diaries, we have experts, doctors, professional dermatologists and cosmetologists who give you advice on what you need to do for your skin. And another thing we all need to keep in mind is that everyone's skin and lifestyle is very different. So if something does not work out for you, it's not necessary that it's bad or it's not the right thing. You just have to figure out a right routine for yourself. Because a lot of times I get questions from my fans where they tell me that a certain routine did not work out for them, but it worked out beautifully for me because we have different body types, our eating habits, and even our lifestyle. So all of that is very important when it comes to your skincare. So make sure you check out Skin Diaries for any skincare issues that you might have. They also have videos on topics like stretch marks and hyperpigmentation, which are my favorite videos. We'll have them linked for you guys in the description box and even in the card towards the end. Also, make sure you leave us a comment and let us know if you have any other questions regarding your skincare issues. We'll try our best to get a professional to do a video answering all of your questions. And please don't forget to subscribe to Skin Diaries and follow us on our Facebook page. All the links will be down below. And don't forget to like this video, guys. I'll see you all. Bye-bye.